Abusia we breaking news. Ya de ma oni nyane kire say honorable NTIM Fordjour. Ya beto dwane say we denounce ni reverend title no. Title na ekuta na as reverend no. We denounce na we no meeting wone Christian Council for no omukohia ye. Ni nyane say opani aba kan nsem bi de afa elupre bi a besi ye ewo Ghana ewiomuso gina bia na ebra wakawie ye no ne aba beto dwasisi ya ne teze na enya nokre na enam se enya nokre no ye beka ya omampani edit to social media says asam no wate na wate ye no so no enya de odi edi agrosa enu nti no wasoma se opani no ensia interior committee any other respective committee a wo parliament nanka brief wo mo na so no opani de atoda so ono de watini bia keke na no na watrasi din na wahu se da bi ne waka nom se eyanum gwase se reverend pa no se na nsei no efiti bra o sha ase so ye active politics no wo se ne reverendship no kama ababato ho nkama ababato ho ama make say no meeting enne wo mu akonu sisi a che so panin reverend no waji e de afri ni din so a che se emu akwakoye reverend bi no mu che so nia waya ne de wayade ebi che se no ye no wayade na asem o kan ya nam so na enne no osoafo a wo hwe nkita odi hu sam so o mampani akate owura didi ade kwachi ofosu waba be kasa yenkokotie asem a kwachi ofosu kan ye no na before then no yenkokotie entro reverend etwaye enne no onu ankasa tenase na honorably we dey my born sam dia ma honorable NTIM Fordjour has said the reverend no we here fini din so ye mo nsam fama obra ye mo nsam fama NTIM Fordjour wayade esan se enye ni panyina kantra wo mutimi ebe yi omo ho ano entempa eyade because Ghana ha no niam bebre sisi enkofo bebre na twantro adi bone a kwaso mudibre kuta wo mtino NTIM Fordjour yankopon hira se watime twantro na wankaso ho asema wo kan no wanya ade na wasan ba besesa wano yankwai na afi ensam a NTIM Fordjour kan ya enam so na omampani John Dramani Mahama responde ye no ye ne kan ko na yenkotie NTIM Fordjour asen south manche bejani no ye kwade yenkotie ne nsam no ebie
on the matter of air flights and Cabo Air private jets transporting suspected cocaine and cash. Ladies and gentlemen, so on another security matter related to our airspace, the Minority Caucus calls on national security to, as a matter of urgency, make public the content of cargo suspected to be cocaine and cash transported into the country by two suspicious flights, namely Air flights and
all right, I was young Kanekasi, young money bebre. Afei okawe ye no ana omampani John Dramani Mahama edebeto the social media post sa asem no wate na wono so de wan transe ma Ghana en bedane babia ye de nubone ye kra nubone koba entire se wo opposition wanya information say dia ene ya obetimi aboa de National Investigation Bureau amomatimi amu enhwemu etino enhwemu ne ekoye no na se opani kokosia wo omra fion ya bone ha fion wontimi nsia wom ana asese ayabasa nti enne ora kwati ofosu kwati ofosu Felix ade baba tudwa a kirekiremu ne ekoye ne baye ni nyina na no na reverend ene empanifo wo mode sa title ne ema no wo makwakosi a kire se we dia on twen ema ne nche wo yi reverend afri so na afi de wa focus so our politics sane ne wo twantro woni nyankopon monso mo di ka ye de sa sane be ya wo twantro woni nyankopon tamunu nkonko ba sa na me ye nyame djuma eni na me twantro dabi nse si ade NTIM Fordjour ni din title reverend no wa yi e de afri ni din so yenkonko tie asam a kwachi ofosu kwacho fosu eka ye eni tetemu a eno so otimi edibaye.
And that was the reason why
okay.
He also alleged that they were involved in money laundering.
Oh, you are.
And therefore he was calling for investigations. As you may be aware, President Mahama gave him the opportunity to present any evidence or any basis he has for making that claim to the security services, so that together we could look into the matter to ascertain whether there was any truth in it. I can report to you that because he knew he was peddling total falsehoods and lies, he now claims, after being invited to assist with investigations, that he was speaking on behalf of the committee that he was part of, and that the views he expressed were not his personal views. So because of that, he says he's unable to cooperate with the security agencies. I said that he was peddling falsehood.
Because Okatachi person is Kevin Taylor. NTIM Fordjour person so could you tap black part. But the Monday Benina so and Faquem. NTIM Fordjour person also John say as in opposition, one will to intercept the document. Nyaka say one also intercept Chama Yezo. Okude to one fan and grosso sa. NTIM Busia. My nyina no yantia se. Na afei Yamon some and farmer in Team Fordjour said, "Where me and na where you sat tight and every friend so." My main found see no more bar now, so I say, "Send a bell being sounds better, madam. I have a cababusia, Midwest. Miniano."